everybody, welcome back to Financial Phoenix. Whether you're new to couponing or you're a seasoned veteran, you're definitely going to want to check out the Dollar General couponing deals this week. In this video, we're going to take a look at 4 of those deals where you can score some awesome products for really cheap. The best part is these deals are all digital, meaning no paper coupons are required. Before we get started, if you haven't downloaded the Ibotta app yet, you can do so with my code DDASFMR, and that is in the description box right down below this video. You'll need the Ibotta app to earn additional money back on these deals, so sign up and start scanning to earn up to $20 in bonuses. Let's get started with our first transaction. Okay, for our first transaction, start by picking up 2 of the Purex liquid detergent. These are the 75-ounce jugs, and you need to pick up 2 of those for $8 and use the $4 off of 2 digital coupon that's in your account. Also pick up 3 of the Dove foaming hand soaps. These will run you $10.50 for 3 of them. And we have a $3 off of 9 store digital coupon on Dove product. Next, pick up 1 of the Schick razors for $4.50 and use the $3 off digital coupon on that, making it just $1.50. And last but not least, pick up 2 of the American Greetings cards. These are $1 a piece, so $2 for both. And we have a buy one, get one free digital coupon, just taking $1 off. And make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped, of course. Your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $25 even, which almost never happens. And after all those coupons plus your 5 off of 25 coupon come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $9 plus tax for 8 items, which is a great price for all this Dove and Purex. Just a heads up that purple dot items are now 40% off. At least that's what the signs say at my store, so you may want to check yours. It can vary. Your mileage may vary store to store, so your local store may have more or less on clearance, just depending. But you would be looking for items with the purple dot on their tag. Okay, for this next transaction, we're going to start by picking up 3 of the True Living paper towel packs, and there are a lot of paper towels in here. They will come to $14.25 for all 3 of them, and no paper coupons or digital coupons required. They are just buy 2 get 1 free on sale, so essentially you're earning back $4.75, which is the individual price of just 1 of those. Also, you can pick up 3 of the Suavitel. These are $3 a piece, so $9 for all 3. And they are buy 2 get 1 free on sale as well, so you're taking $3 off there. Plus you have a 50-cent digital coupon on Suavitel that will apply to one of the others. Last but not least, we've got the Bic Soleil razor. These are $3.30 and we have a $3 off coupon, making them just 30 cents. And again, make sure you have that 5 off 25 clipped. You're looking at an out-of-pocket cost on this one at $26.55 or $10.30 plus tax for 7 items or $1.47 each. That's a great price on those paper towels for sure. By the way, guys, if you're looking for even more deals, be sure to follow us at financial_Phoenix on Instagram and TikTok. I actually just posted a 5 off 25 deal for this Saturday on Instagram, and the total came to under $2 for a bunch of stuff, so you're definitely going to want to check that out. This next transaction is for you kitty lovers like me. You're going to start by picking up 4 bags of the Purina Cat Chow. These are the 3.15 pound bags. And that's going to run you $20. They're 2 for $10. So they will be $5 each. So grab 4 of those. And we're going to use actually 3 digital coupons for 75 cents off. Hopefully your account looks like mine. I got actually 3 different coupons in my account for 75 cents off of these bags. Plus, like I said at the beginning, this is an all digital deal. You don't have to have a paper coupon, but if you want to save a little extra, you can print a 75-cent coupon from coupons.com. Just follow the link in the description box below this video and you can print free printable coupons right there. So that'll be 4 coupons basically with the 75 cents off, plus you will have 75-cent Ibotta rebates, and you can do definitely 4 of those as well. Next, pick up 1 bag of the Tidy Cats litter. You can see that my store hasn't restocked yet. It is out. So this is the Tidy Cats litter that's 20 pounds for $5.50, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon. And we want to make sure our 5 off 25 is clipped as well. Your subtotal will come to $25.50, and your out-of-pocket cost will come to just $13.25 plus tax for 5 items, or $2.65 each. And $2.65 is a great price for all that cat food and litter, honestly. Now remember, you're going to pay $16.25 at the register until you get your receipt and submit it to Ibotta. Your Ibotta rebates will come after. Last but not least, I wanted to include this very fun deal that you can do actually any day this week. You don't need to wait until Saturday. This is not a 5 off of 25 deal, but I wanted to show you that you don't always have to wait for Saturday. You can get really good deals on stuff throughout the week at Dollar General just by using your digital coupons correctly and thinking smart about your purchases. So this will take us down below $6 for 8 items, which I think is really great. So getting started, you're going to pick up 2 of the General Mills cereals. They are 2 for $5 this week. You have a $1 digital coupon on the Cinnamon Cheerios, so make sure one of them is the Cinnamon Cheerios. And you can also pick up either the Dunkaroos or the Sesame Street cereal. You have fetch rebates for both. So pick one of those. Those have a $1 or so fetch rebate. And if you don't have the fetch app, just like Ibotta, we have a code for that as well in the description box down below. It is 98BQW, and that will also earn you extra for just signing up. Next, you're going to do that big razor again, $3.30, and you have a $3 off digital coupon, making it just 30 cents. You can also pick up 2 of those American Greetings cards for $1 and use the buy one get one free digital coupon on those. If your store carries these, you can also pick up one of the Milo's sweet tea. These are $1.25, and we have a 50-cent digital coupon on those. And last but not least, pick up 2 of the Colgate 3-pack of toothbrushes. These are $5.50 for the both of them, and you have a $4 digital coupon when you purchase 2. And like I said, no 5 off of 25, but when all those coupons come off for the items in this transaction, in this order, your total is going to come to $5.55 for 8 items, or just 69 cents a piece. And you really can't beat that. That's great. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this any day deal before Saturday. I hope this video got you pumped up about the savings happening this week at Dollar General, and to be alerted to more deals and clearance sale updates, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video right now and ding the bell so you're notified in real time. Leave us a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big.